SoRoTo is one of Europe's leading manufacturers of forced action mixers and belt conveyors, designed specifically for the construction industry. The technology of the SoRoTo machinery is carefully thought out, down to the last detail. SoRoTo means quality, durability, and efficiency. We know the demands and requirements imposed on the construction sites for now more than 30 years. So naturally, our machinery is designed for heavy and continuous duty, even in rough weather and working conditions. This has contributed to making SoRoTo a successful and internationally acknowledged name in the world of construction. Welcome to the world of hard-working machinery. Welcome to SoRoTo. SoRoTo, hard-working since 1986.